So hi everyone, welcome back again. In this video, we are learning about what exactly middlewares in Express. So basically, middleware means consider uh, हम आप सब वन मेले में गए हो एंड उन उस मेले में हम वो सर्कल वाला राउंड वाला से बड़ा जो पाळना होता है और पाळना और झोंका what we say. So what we basically do first, we purchase one ticket for that, and when we sit on that paana, before sitting, one person will be there, and that person will checking your tickets, and after that they allow you to go and sit in that paana. Okay, that person also will be known as middleware. So I just tell you what exactly middleware. Just let me include our express, import our express exp or express in our that project. So express require express. Okay, so express is one of important library for used in route. So app is equal to express. So this is our basic concept. Then I will create some get method get for that ride. So we wanted to do our ride one, then function when that request and response will be there, and after that we just print what we print. We just print message, one message that will be your ride redone, your ride done successfully. So this message I want to print. Let me check. So app dot listen. We wanted to port starting this whole entire thing on 3000 port, and yeah, how to run our express. So basically we say node and index dot our file name. So this port running, so I will show on our localhost port 3000. Okay. Hmm. With ride 1, ride 1. So what he say, this forgot about age or something like that. I just wanted that ride 1. Okay, this is route might be happening, and your ride done successfully. This message will be successfully come here. Okay, but if I said that कि देखो, I need a age. In that age, the person, the age of that person will be greater than or equal to 14. Then I will allow for that ride for that person. Otherwise, ignore. Okay. Then how will we do that? All kind of things. Let me create one function here. So function is age enough enough. So we take one parameter and age. If, the age of that person is greater than equal to 14, then we said we only return true false. Okay, boolean we will playing with, and else case we return false. So basically we checking all concept here. Is age, if age enough, then we say that your ride done successfully. Okay, otherwise else, in else message I wanted to show one status code with uh, 411 actually, and say you are not eligible for ride. You are not eligible for this ride. Okay, so what I am do actually is enough, is age enough created one function, and in that age will be taking as a query. So how will be taking that age actually? Const age is equal to request dot query, query dot age. So this is used for taking input. Okay, so basically this whole entire thing I'm forgotten here to write here, because we taking age as a input from user. So let me check that code will be working right or wrong. What that code exactly saying? Firstly, the age of person is greater than equal to 14, then true. What inside true is age enough, then message you eligible for ride. I think you eligible for you are eligible for this ride. Okay, so I wanted to show that message on the screen when I am taking input. If we input the age of person is greater than 14, then we print you are eligible for this ride one. Okay, and or if not, then we print that message you are not eligible for this ride one. Okay, then let me open the console, and in that console I'm going to video section, and firstly I wanted to remove then node index.js. Okay, oh, age has already been declared, where I am declaring that age at line number 6. The error message will become okay. So what will we do with that age? So basically age. Okay, how will be taking that age as a input parameter? That whole will be happening here. and let me run again. Still that port will be running, uh, and age is greater than 30. Check if age is greater than or 40, you are eligible for this ride on. Okay, this message will be show on our screen at routing. If I'm saying that age of that person will be 3, then what he will printed, so you are eligible for ride 1 also he will say. So this message is you are eligible for ride 1. Oh, this will be printing some wrong. Let me checking what exactly happening. No error message still. Okay, at routing time when age is 10, then I wanted to show the false message, but he not saying something like that. Let me check where I am doing that my where I'm responsible status 400. You are not eligible for this ride. Okay, age as a query parameter, it is used for taking input. So what exactly will be happening here? Why that will be happening easy enough? Then yes, then we go in here and status response dot status. One error here occurring, if age is greater than 14, then true, otherwise false. So if age is greater than, he said you are eligible for this ride one. And if I am saying 30, okay, then 31 is say same message, but I am say the age of person will be less than 14, then you are eligible for ride. So this message I never wanted to show. Let me check in inspect an issue that might be might important issue, but something actually I think something that age will be problematic here, or why that will be not printing. Let me check again. CD video, go in video section and node index.js. Okay, then when I am saying that if the age of person is you are eligible, what the oh, oh, eligible I wanted. Oh no, something problematic here happening. Let me find out that problem. If the age is greater than means true. Okay, then we will go here, and in else part we wanted to return a response dot status code with JSON. You are not eligible for this, right? Okay, rather than that status code, I wanted to display that only that's message which is JSON format. Let me check what will be happening inside that. So node index.js for running our express app actually. So you are not actually, I'm forgotten to that using it something like that. So due to that there might be problem I'm facing I will be thinking. So let me check again, but checking again. So I will do. I am going to that video folder. In that I am running that model, and yeah, he will shows one error, request dot age. That age of that person will be come inside here, because I we are taking as input. Okay, so let me check again. And age of that person is already okay. If I directly say reg dot age, can run that program successfully? No, that will be not happening here. So there will be a problem. I might be thinking here, not rather than writing here, we are writing here, because this is a request something, and we wanted to check. Okay, then this running successfully on that port. And if I am writing the age of person is 18, then you are eligible for that right. If I say the age of person will be 10, and you are eligible for this right. So sorry guys, my mistake here. uh, so what exactly, rather than doing here something all kind of stuff. Okay, actually we wanted to pass over that data. We taking our age as an input from user. So definitely right now that our application will be working successfully. Okay, so but my bad, sorry guys for a lot of time pass. So this will be silly mistake I am done. And you just check the age of person will be 10. If I am entering, so yes guys, you are not eligible for ride one. Okay, so if I'm creating same, okay, same format for ride 2 actually. Yes, so uh, right to, you are eligible for right to. And here also you are not eligible for right to. Okay, so same process I will repeat here. So you check the length of our code will be very huge right now. So I just uh, checking. Okay, the age of person, you are not eligible. And if the age of person is greater than 14, means 20, you are eligible for ride on. If I'm saying that about right to, then checking about right to cannot get. Sorry guys, my bad, my bad, I am forwarded here to writing about right to. Okay, okay guys, is enough. And yeah, I think I am forgotten to doing that. So okay, if age of that person, so you are eligible for right to. Okay, and the age of person will be less than 14, let me write. And you are eligible for this right to. Okay, so this whole code will be entirely I am doing on the routing kind of stuff. So I am create one middleware here. Is old enough, if old enough middleware. uh, so in that, I'm taking one request, one response, and one will be next here. So what will be checking inside that, if the age of person is greater than equal to 14, then I will saying that going to next. Okay, is else I'm showing that message. eh, Sorry, you are not eligible. Okay, so doing that all extra thing here and here, let me remove that code, and you understand. Okay, so how can use I am that function. So I use before our function, and that function will be working same thing for us. So actually that response does json, that message inside. So response dot json, in that I wanted to show that message you are not eligible for this ride. Okay, so and middleware, that middleware will be taking response request, and next will be there. And I'm forgetting, I think I am doing that same mistake again. I am mm, so just check here. And in previous time we are doing that request of age is equal to request with that query parameter, query dot age of our person. So this will be enough code for working. Okay, yeah. So that will be code, that code will be working successfully. I might be thinking, yes. So let me show something about if consider my age is 30, or cannot read properly, undefined reading age, old, if old in a middleware. Okay, this will be giving one error message, cannot read properly, undefined age will be undefined age. Here I am defining what he will say, that age will be undefined. I am, I wanted to check that error message at line number cannot read undefined property. Okay, I am accepting that, but where that error will be happening, at 27 or at line 15? 15, line number 15. Okay, here actually query request response are next. If uh, actually, sorry guys, my bad. uh, there will be one mistake happening. Sometimes that mistakes will be teaches a lot of things. Okay, okay, so boom guys, when I'm writer 2 and my age is 30, then you are eligible for right to. Okay, but I'm saying no, I am only 3 year old, and he will say you are not eligible for this ride. Right, one he will said, why one way he will said, let me check, because here I am saying that. So rather than you are not eligible for this ride. uh, So again I am running that message on that port and say again, so you are not eligible for this ride. Okay, and ride one also, if age, you are not eligible for this ride. If age of person is greater than 14, and you are eligible for this ride on. Okay, so finally you will create one middleware here. So what exactly I am showing our process, that whole code will be, how that code will be run. So firstly we will go inside that ride one, then I'm checking is old in his middleware, then going here and taking input and checking if age of person is greater than. So next means going to next, and what will be next, so going inside that function and saying you are eligible for this ride on. Okay, and if that person age will be false, then he returns the false message for you are not eligible for this ride. Okay, so this is basically the working of middleware. So rather than doing that thing, actually I'm saying something different. So rather than doing, we say app dot use, and use our middleware here is old enough. So this is our middleware. So what exactly he will did, whenever that need of that middleware, he will go and run that whole code entirely as it is. So as I'm teacher, so my working is showing with our, with some kind of proof. So I'm saying, and let me check and run again, and okay, this message, if I'm in ride one, in previous time you are eligible for this ride one, that message will be shown, which I am reading, and you are eligible for this ride one. So this message will be shown again using app.use, and consider the age of my is 3, and that you are not eligible for this ride. So I don't know, and if I am saying, I am writing this line below in that one, and I wanted to do that whole kind of extra thing here. I never wanted to do, but due to some reason. So if I am saying, if I am writing that app.use below our whole request, he will be not run properly. So if let me check, if in previous time ride one, age of person will be 3, you are not eligible for this ride, that message will be printing, and you are eligible for this ride means directly he will printing. Okay, go in and inside, not writing, so he will print directly this message. So this middleware we will use here, and he will working good for us. So giving, and so this is the main working of our middleware in Express.js. So middleware will be very in the concept. So that's it. Thank for watching this video till then. See you next time. Bye bye.